Somewhere. Here.
There
Is a star. It is shooting. Bags in hands and it lands in Soweto. A land that stretches to distances further, like a rubber band. It seeks to expand, constantly bending space and time. You are that star seeking to find connections in bad area network locations. Office parks,
loan sharks,
taxi ranks.
cell phones are not allowed in banks. Basically,
There is nothing to catch on the side of the riverbank.
So why are you here?
Perhaps there was not enough room in space.
Maybe stars come to reclaim their purpose in this
Could it
place.
be that you are rebels from a nebula of asteroids that just love free fall?
Responding to this calling, you have been falling.
Floating down to earth.
And on impact, it was your trajectory that cut through burdens. But the
Plan was never to move these mountains.
We were all destined for greatness. We are never afraid of the dark. We were burped right here. Tell them.
We were not dunked into the river Styx, held at the heels and a blemish of imperfection left on our key.
We were baptized
It
here.
was a miracle.
There was a surge of bubbles.
As though we purged ourselves of all sin.
Tell them our skin is a cocoon of plasma.
We are woken, yet keep searching for those hundreds of dreams.
Because dreamers live longer.
They are melanin beams.
Every follicle is a unique verse.
Shade of their skin is the center of the universe.
But too many times have they felt broken inside. With their lips torn, they would cry with their paws and speak only when they are told.
Death had arrived.
Only to depart,
Spirits in hand.
leaving nothing behind.
Land grew barren.
Gardens without flowers.
Bodies in graves.
No music there.
Cries of widows.
Voices grew louder.
Only spirits dance.
Then silence followed.
Life comes back.
It is forever.
There is laughter.
Under the trees,
Seeds grow.
the land smiles.
The star thrives.
This comes to show that everything happens and growth follows. Even when footsteps fade, remember, stars keep shining when nobody's looking. Those bags you fell holding, the aura inside keeps molding. After you've passed, you will see that rainbows are nothing but flying colors. All you will ever want to do is paint. Dip into your soul. Magic happens when you laugh. You have a seed inside. Sow with love and reap with thanksgiving. Give thanks for the food you eat. The earth is reborn every time you grace it with your feet. Living in its simplest form is a purpose fulfilled, gentle star.
Gentle star.
Keep growing, and you will realize that the world will become smaller and smaller,
Smaller.
and your mind broader.